Are you looking for an easy way to manage your dental practice with cloud-based software? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we will show you how to use the Dentrix Ascend dental software. If you're considering Dentrix Ascend for your clinic, or you've recently started using it, this friendly beginner guide will help you learn the basics and make the most out of its cloud-based capabilities. Whether you're a dentist, dental hygienist, office manager, receptionist, or part of the admin team, we've got you covered. So let's begin. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's first talk about what Dentrix Ascend is and who it's designed for. Basically, Dentrix Ascend is a cloud-based dental practice management software built for dental clinics of all sizes. It brings together appointment scheduling, patient records, charting, billing, insurance, processing, imaging, reporting, and many other day-to-day practice management tools into one centralized platform. Since it's completely cloud-based, your team can securely access the software from virtually anywhere with an internet connection, making it an excellent solution for modern dental practices and multi-location clinics. Now, if you visit the official Dentrix Ascend website, which is going to be www.dentrixascend.com, you will immediately notice that there isn't a traditional sign up or create button that you would find on most software platforms. Instead, you will see an option such as the request information. This is because Dentrix Ascend isn't a one-size-fits-all subscription service. Basically, their team works directly with each dental practice to understand its specific needs before providing the pricing and implementation options. So during the consultation practice and implementation, they will discuss your practice size, the number of providers and staff members, your goals, of course, your budget, so that they can recommend the package that best fit for your business. This is also a great opportunity to request a personalized product demonstration because a live demo lets you see how the platform works in real-world dental office scenarios. You can ask questions and determine whether Dentrix Ascend is the right solution before making any commitment. However, if you're not quite ready to contact the sales team and simply want to learn more about the platform has to offer, that's perfectly fine. Because for this tutorial, we will head back to the main homepage and we will explore the information available on the website. By looking on the different sections, features, and resources, we will gain a solid understanding of what Dentrix Ascend offers, who it's designed for, and how it will help dental practices streamline their daily operations before we eventually dive into the software itself. Now let's begin with the Ascend solutions. Number one is going to be the charting, imaging, and clinical AI. This is where dentists and their clinical teams spend most of their time. Because here you can create and update patient charts, document treatments, view dental images such as x-rays, and manage clinical notes all from one place. Dentrix Ascend also incorporates AI-powered tools to help analyze images, identify potential issues more efficiently, and support more accurate diagnosis by combining charting, imaging, and artificial intelligence into a single workflow. Dental practices can improve efficiency while providing better patient care. And then next we have is going to be the insurance, billing, and collections. These solutions helps simplify the financial side of running a dental practice because staff can verify patient insurance, submit electronic claims, track claim statuses, generate invoices, process payments, and manage outstanding balances. And having these tools integrated into one platform reduces paperwork, minimizes billing errors, and helps practices receive payments faster while making the payment process easier for patients. And then after that is going to be the marketing and patient experience. This focuses on attracting new patients while keeping existing ones engaged. Practices can automate appointment reminders, send confirmations via text or email, collect patient reviews, and communicate more effectively throughout the patient journey. These tools help reduce missed appointments, improve patient satisfaction, and encourage long term loyalty, all while supporting the growth of the practice. And then after that, we have the practice data and analytics. This is a solution giving dental offices valuable insights into how their business is performing. Now, through customizable reports and easy to read dashboards, practice owners can monitor production, collections, scheduling efficiency, patient retention, and overall financial performance. And with access to real time data, they can make informed business decisions and identify opportunities to improve productivity and profitability. And of course, you also have the Office IT management and support, which is designed to keep your technology running smoothly. Since Dentrix Ascend is a cloud base, there is no need to maintain traditional on site servers. The platform provides secure cloud access, automatic updates, data protection, and technical support whenever assistance is needed. This reduces the burden of IT maintenance, allowing the dental team to focus more on patient care instead of managing technology. And then the next is going to be the practice consulting and team training, which helps dental practices get the most value from Dentrix Ascend. Whether you're implementing the software for the first time or looking to optimize your existing workflows, Dentrix offers expert guidance, onboarding, and ongoing training, and these resources helps the entire team becomes more confident with the platform and improve efficiency and adopt best practices that contribute to long-term success. And finally, there is the Dentrix Ascend API Exchange. This feature allows dental practices and third-party software developers to integrate Dentrix Ascend with other business applications and services through its API. Practices can connect with specialized tools for scheduling, patient communication, payment processing, analytics, and other workflow solutions. Now, this flexibility allows each practice to build a customized technology ecosystem that fits its unique operational needs while keeping data connected across different platforms. Okay, so after that, you have the insights. This is where Dentrix Ascend shares valuable knowledge to help dental practices stay informed and grow. You will find the latest industry news, expert articles, webinars, customer stories, and a lot more. With this, you can stay updated on dental technology trends and serves as a learning hub packed with helpful resources. And then, speaking of resources, the resources section is designed to help both new and existing users to get the most out of Dentrix Ascend, including access to product updates, online user guides, customer support, and if ever you need help learning a feature, troubleshooting an issue, you just have to go here. And the About section is the company behind the Dentrix Ascend and explains its missions of helping dental professionals deliver better patient care through the cloud-based practice management software. And with that being said, and that wraps up our beginner's guide on how to use Dentrix Ascend dental software. While we weren't able to test the platform firsthand since it requires you to contact the sales team for access and a personalized demo, we were still able to gather valuable information and insights by exploring the official website, its features, product pages, and navigation menus. This gave us a solid understanding of what Dentrix Ascend offers, who it's designed for, and how it helps dental practices streamline their day-to-day operations. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.